Hi, it's Julie from Uteach, and today we'll speak about coaching. So let's start with the concept itself. What is coaching? Coaching aims to lead and guide your clients to achieve their desired results and goals. Now let's speak about two kinds of coaching: online coaching and offline coaching. Which one you can choose? Which option is best for you? I know that you're interested, and that's why I'm here to give you answers. In this area of digitation, choosing the most flexible and safe option will be most beneficial for you. So, taking into consideration last effects, pandemics, we can conclude that the most flexible and beneficial option for you is online coaching. Online coaching and e-learning provide you and your students with a lot of benefits. First of all, we can mention flexibility. You can work anywhere, anytime, whenever it is convenient for you, before remembering about 9 to 5 office regime. The second benefit of online coaching is that it is scalable. Online coaching is a go-to way for youth nowadays. They can take advantage of this opportunity, start online coaching, and the doors of international market will be open for them. The third benefit of online coaching is low startup capital. The only investment that you need in this case is investment on your knowledge. That is enough for your online coaching business. You don't have to think about cost of the place you have rented or the clean or transportation. Nothing is important in this case. These benefits remain the main reasons that you must choose online coaching over offline coaching, obviously. But I can also mention some risks and challenges that you will face when you choose your online coaching career. Let's start from the risks. Risk number 1, bad reviews. The potential risk of any business, including online coaching business, is bad reviews of the clients. First of all, calm down and read your reviews. Maybe you have some constructive criticism, which will help you to do a lot of improvements actually. If the reviews are not constructive and they give no benefit to you, just make sure that everything you do is quite clear and every step of your work that you have done so that you can get only good reviews. The second risk that we must mention is accountability. Some clients forget that they are accountable for the change, and without following instructors' recommendations or participating regularly, they will not have any tangible result in the end. This is a risk to your reputation, so don't forget to simply explain your clients that regular sessions aren't necessary. Risk number 3, misunderstanding coach's role. Many clients may confuse coaching with consulting or mentoring, so you must be sure that your clients get the whole idea of coaching. Otherwise, there will be potential risk of dissatisfaction and disappointment, which will affect your business actually. To avoid this, just explain your client your role as a coach and what they can and they should expect from you. If you're done with the risks, let's speak about 3 main challenges that you obviously will face during your online coaching business. Challenge number 1, technical issues. Technical issues are one of the most common challenges faced by online educators or students. If they do occur, just have plan B. For example, have enough mobile data so you can host the session by your phone, or just tell them about a problem and reschedule your session. It shouldn't take more than a few hours or a day to fix if it's a laptop, camera, or microphone related issue. Challenge number 2, clients. Where to find these clients and how to make the first sales. It is quite challenging for beginner coaches to find their first clients, especially if they don't have reviews and an established online presence. If you want to get clients, you should know who your audience is and how to build organic or paid marketing strategies. However, I have one good solution for you. You can add your certifications as testimonials and ask for reviews. These reviews will be on your coaching business's website and your reputation will grow actually if you have good reviews. These reviews must be on your coaching business's website and you will have growing reputation. Challenge number 3, time management. It is actually hard to keep all these schedules and managing your time online, and that's why you must choose good tools for you. Many tools are created to make your life easier. You can use tools to have good time management and to schedule your meetings or your classes online actually. You can use Google Calendar or your phone reminder because they will be absolutely helpful for you. If the video was interesting and useful for you, don't forget to like our video and subscribe our channel because we have a lot of good upcoming videos for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!